The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated additions to the smartwatch industry. Aiming to captivate both traditional watch enthusiasts and tech-savvy consumers, it fuses timeless design with cutting-edge innovation. Leaks hint at major enhancements across health monitoring, AI integration, and ruggedness, potentially positioning it as a formidable force in the wearables arena. Let's dive deep into what these leaks suggest about this upcoming marvel. Samsung appears determined to preserve the signature round form of the Galaxy Watch Classic, a standout in a market saturated with rectangular designs. The cherished rotating bezel, a hallmark of the Classic line, is rumored to return, offering users a tactile and intuitive navigation experience. This feature not only elevates the watch's nostalgic aesthetic but also enhances its functionality. A notable change could be brewing regarding sizing options. Unlike past models, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might launch in just one size. While this move could streamline production and simplify offerings, it risks limiting options for varying wrist sizes. Nevertheless, the design approach may strike an ideal balance between elegance and everyday practicality. Battery life remains critical in the smartwatch realm, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to house a 435 mAh battery. This upgrade could deliver up to 40 hours of usage on a single charge, ensuring dependable performance through daily routines and overnight tracking. On the performance front, the watch is rumored to run on the Exynos W1000 chip, although some reports tease a potential shift to Qualcomm's Snapdragon B5. Should this materialize, users would enjoy superior speed, particularly within AI-powered apps and multitasking demands, solidifying the watch's flagship status. Samsung's prowess in crafting stunning displays is set to continue, as leaks reveal the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic could feature vibrant AMOLED screens in two sizes, 1.3 inches and 1.5 inches. Whether checking notifications, fitness stats, or simply admiring the time, users can expect a dazzling visual experience. Durability is another arena where the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is poised to excel. Reports suggest military-grade build quality paired with IP68 water and dust resistance, making it a reliable companion for everything from rugged outdoor adventures to swimming sessions. Health tracking, a core pillar of modern smartwatches, remains a highlight. An exciting rumored addition is vascular load monitoring, offering deeper insights into cardiovascular wellness. This advancement could give Samsung a powerful edge over rivals like Fitbit and Apple. An upgraded bioactive sensor might even introduce blood glucose monitoring, an extraordinary leap for diabetes management and broader health tracking. Artificial intelligence is another frontier where the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic may shine. Powered by Google's Gemini AI, the watch is expected to feature a personal health coach offering real-time advice on sleep, fitness, and weight management. Added perks like antioxidant tracking and customized nutrition plans could transform the watch into a holistic health hub. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will likely ship with Wear OS 6, offering improved software capabilities and smoother navigation. Deeper integration with Google's ecosystem promises broader app compatibility and smarter virtual assistant features, enhancing overall usability. Samsung reportedly plans to release 6 models, 2 sizes for the standard Galaxy Watch 8 and 1 for the Classic, each available in Wi-Fi and LTE variants. This variety ensures consumers can select a device tailored to their connectivity needs, whether they prefer independence or tethered usage. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic represents a thoughtful evolution, merging the timeless charm of a classic design with state-of-the-art tech. From its iconic rotating bezel and robust durability to revolutionary health tools and AI smarts, it's crafted to captivate a wide range of users. As launch day nears, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic looks ready to set a new benchmark for wearables. With its blend of sophistication, versatility, and innovation, it could redefine what buyers expect from a smartwatch. Whether drawn to its heritage styling, tough build, or smart capabilities, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic promises a truly well-rounded experience. Moving forward, let's explore how the Galaxy Watch 8 stacks up against its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 7. Each year brings a flurry of new gadgets, sometimes revolutionary, often evolutionary. Lately, Samsung has leaned towards the latter, offering iterative upgrades to beloved devices like phones and wearables. This year, the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to arrive, likely around July, following 2024's timeline. It's natural to ask, how does the Watch 8 differ from the Watch 7? While the Galaxy Watch 8 seems poised to be a top-tier smartwatch for 2025, current Watch 7 owners might wonder if an upgrade is worth it. As of now, Samsung hasn't officially unveiled the Watch 8, so our comparison is based on leaks and rumors. No leaked images have surfaced yet, but it's widely believed the Watch 8 will stick closely to the Watch 7's circular design. Although early rumors suggested a squircle form, similar to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, most signs point to only subtle refinements, possibly new textures or colors. In terms of options, the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to offer two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, each available with Wi-Fi and LTE versions. Screen sizes should mirror the Watch 7 at 1.3 inches and 1.5 inches, but a brighter AMOLED display could be in the cards, bringing sharper visuals. Color will likely be a key differentiator between the Watch 8 and Watch 7. Expect new shades for the casing and bands, while retaining backward compatibility for Watch 7 straps, ensuring flexibility for existing users. The Galaxy Watch 7 already features a 1.3-inch and 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with sapphire crystal protection, and we anticipate the Watch 8 will continue this durable tradition. The Watch 7's display peaks at 2000 nits, maintaining excellent readability outdoors, something likely to continue. Samsung currently offers matching sports bands for Watch 7 models, and customization options should extend to the Watch 8 as well. Pricing for the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to match that of the Watch 7, $299.99 for the 40mm Wi-Fi model and $329.99 for the 44mm variant, with LTE versions costing $50 more. So far, there's no strong indication of price hikes despite tariff changes. The Galaxy Watch 7 debuted Samsung's Exynos W1000 chip, and Samsung may continue with it for the Watch 8. Still, there's a possibility that Qualcomm's second-generation Snapdragon W5 could power the new model, offering stronger AI capabilities, which could tie in with Gemini AI. Otherwise, much of the Galaxy Watch 8 specs are expected to remain close to the Watch 7. Expect 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, dual-band GPS, IP68 resistance, and MIL, STD, 810H durability, alongside the revamped bioactive sensor introduced with the Watch 7 for improved health tracking. The Galaxy Watch 8 might debut additional health features, possibly exclusive at launch, such as blood glucose tracking, a significant leap forward. Battery life should be comparable to the Watch 7, with a 44mm model rumored to include a 435 mAh battery, offering approximately 40 hours of usage, consistent with its predecessor. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 7 impresses with 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, IP68 certification, and a rugged MIL, STD, 810H rating.